Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the Nissan Nirvara Truckman spec. This does come with a cover on the bed at the back. This is a 5-seater pickup truck and it comes to you in a lovely grey. This does also come with 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive and also low range, which can be controlled just down here. It has an automatic transmission along with air conditioning, heated seats, cruise control, hands-free cooling as well, and lumbar support for the driver's seat as well. Radio and a reversing camera can be viewed upon the screen as well. I will just show you into the back few seats as well. Now this does come with roof bars upon the top of the vehicle as well. This is great for either a roof box, bicycles, anything like that, etc. I will just open up the back for you as well. As you can see, it does come with a hydraulic hinge on it as well. So like some of those other pickup trucks, it doesn't just slam down as well. This does also come with cargo rings to turn on any load you may want to carry as well. And if you would like to find out more about this specific pickup truck, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk or anchorcars.co.uk as well. Or visit our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, where you can view this one and many other different pickup trucks as well. You never know, another one may take your fancy just as much as this one. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully see you here soon. And you never know, one day this might be your ride.